practice listening and speaking English, short phrases, or sentences.
ฝึกฟังและพูดภาษาอังกฤษประโยคสั้นหรือวลี
Good afternoon, Lisa. It's Sophia, the housekeeper. I have some room updates for you.
Hi, Sophia. Sure. Go ahead. What do you have?
Room 502 is cleaned and ready for the next guest.
Thanks for the info. What about room 310?
Room 310 is vacant and cleaned, ready for check-in.
Great. Can I assign it to a new guest?
Absolutely. It's all set for a new guest.
Perfect. What about room 401?
Room 401 is currently occupied. The guest extended their stay.
Understood. I'll update the system accordingly.
Additionally, room 207 has a maintenance issue and will be unavailable until tomorrow.
Noted. I'll make sure it's blocked in the reservation system.
Lastly, we have a VIP arrival tomorrow, so I'll prioritize preparing room 102 for them.
Excellent. Thank you for taking care of it, Sophia.
You're welcome, Lisa. Let me know if you need any further updates.
I will. Thanks again, Sophia. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Lisa. Take care. Hi Lisa, this is Daisy, the housekeeper. I'm calling to update you on the room statuses.
Hi Daisy, sure, go ahead. What's the current status?
Room 201 is ready for check-in. It's clean and all set.
Great. Thank you for letting me know. What about room 205?
Room 205 is currently being cleaned. It should be ready in about 15 minutes.
Okay, got it. Please keep me updated.
Will do. Also, room 303 needs maintenance, so it won't be available for check-in until further notice.
Thanks for informing me. I'll mark it as unavailable. Anything else?
Yes, we have a late checkout for room 109, so its cleaning will be delayed.
Noted. I'll inform the next guest. Is there anything urgent?
No, that's all for now. I'll keep you posted on any changes.
Perfect. Thanks, Daisy. Your coordination is much appreciated.
You're welcome, Lisa. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.
Good morning, Michael. It's Sarah, the housekeeper. I wanted to update you on the room statuses.
Good morning, Sarah. Sure. Go ahead. What's the current status?
Room 306 is cleaned and ready for check-in.
Great. Thanks for letting me know. What about room 401?
Room 401 is currently occupied. The guest will check out at 2 p.m., and I'll clean it right after.
Understood. Please keep me informed.
Of course. Also, room 207 needs maintenance, so it won't be available for check-in until tomorrow.
Noted. I'll mark it as unavailable in our system. Anything else I should know?
Yes, room 102 is being prepared for a VIP guest. I'll give it extra attention and make sure it's perfect.
That's important. Thanks for taking care of it, Sarah.
You're welcome. Just doing my best. Is there anything urgent you need to inform me about?
Nothing urgent at the moment. I'll let you know if anything comes up.
Sounds good. I'll be available if you need any updates. Have a wonderful day, Michael.
You too, Sarah. Thank you for your coordination.
Hi John, it's Emma. I need to update you on the room statuses.
Hello, Emma. Please go ahead. What's the status?
Room 301 is cleaned and ready for check-in.
Perfect. Thanks for the update.
And what about room 405?
Room 405 is currently occupied. The guest will check out at noon, and I'll clean it promptly.
Understood.
Let me know once it's available.
Sure. Additionally, room 209 has some maintenance issues, and it won't be available until tomorrow.
Noted. I'll block it in the system. Is there anything else?
Yes, we have a VIP arriving today, and I'm preparing room 102 for them. It should be spotless.
Excellent, Emma. Thank you for your attention to detail.
You're welcome, John. Just doing my best. If you need any further updates, feel free to ask.
I appreciate that, Emma. Have a great day.
You too, John. Take care.
ช่วงที่ 5 ฝึกคำศัพท์
Afternoon. Afternoon. Housekeeper. Housekeeper. Room. Room. Guest. Guest. Check-in. Check-in. Guests. Guests. Info. Info. Vacant. Vacant. Guests. Guests. Maintenance. Maintenance. Issue. Issue. Arrival. Arrival. Day. Day. Care. Care. Priority. Priority. It. It. You. 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 It. It. You. You. They. They. Update. Update. Clean. Clean. Assign. Assign. Extend. Extend. Make. Make. Block. Block. Prepare. Prepare. Arrive. Arrive. Take. Take. Cleaned. Cleaned. Ready. Ready. new, new. Unavailable, unavailable. Vacant, vacant. Promptly, promptly. Currently, currently. Tomorrow, tomorrow. Absolutely, absolutely. Exactly, exactly. Soon, soon. There, there. For, for. About, about. Of, of. At, at. Until, until. On, on. In, in. With, with. And, but, or, so, so. Hi, hi. Thanks, thanks. Great, great. Sure, sure. Absolutely, absolutely. Perfect, perfect. Noted, noted. Understood, understood. Excellent, excellent. Welcome, welcome. Thank, thank.
เป็นอย่างไรกันบ้างครับสำหรับวิดีโอนี้ อย่าลืมกลับมาฝึกและทบทวนอีกครั้งนะครับ ขอขอบคุณที่รับชมและรับฟัง อย่าลืมกดปุ่มไลค์และติดตามหรือแชร์วิดีโอให้เพื่อนของคุณเพื่อเป็นกำลังใจให้ทีมงาน หากคุณมีคำแนะนำใดๆ สามารถฝากข้อความไว้ที่ด้านล่างวิดีโอได้เลยครับ สำหรับวันนี้สวัสดีครับ